Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2019 Nissan Navara RX single cab chassis ute, stock reference number 5510. This shape runs from the 5th month 2015 and is the current shape. It has a YS23 DDT 2.3 litre 4-cylinder single turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual rear-wheel drive transmission. YS23 DDT single turbo 4-cylinder 2.3 litre diesel engine. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage, radiated grille, front bumper bar has a few scuffs, right hand headlight, right hand fog light, left hand fog light, left hand headlight, left guard has one small dent, left front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left power door mirror in chrome, left door appears to have no damage, factory fitted alloy tray with all bolts and brackets. Aftermarket tow right tow bar with all bolts and brackets and loom. Right door appears to have no damage, right guard appears to have no damage, right power door mirror in chrome and a right front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. Manual type center console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons.